AI video generator free Canva text to video AI tutorial. Hey everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can generate AI generated videos using Canva's free text to video feature. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. And if you're wondering if we need a fancy software, no need for fancy software. It's a quick, easy and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up a browser and in the search bar type in canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're here, from the design here you have to click on video. Now once you're here, select your video format. I will just go with the landscape. Now that's gonna take you to the editing piece. So once you land on this interface, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. There are a bunch of menus such as design, elements, text, brand and uploads. From here you have to scroll down a bit and there is an apps. Tap or click on apps. Now under apps, you have to search for Magic Media. Scroll down and under this list, there is an option as Magic Media, so you have to click on it. Once you are here under the Magic Media, you will see this text box here. But here, click on videos since we want to generate videos. Now you will have this text prompt here. Here you have to enter your prompt and describe the video that you want. Here you have an option as Inspire Me. If you click on it, Canva will generate some prompt that will help you generate AI video. But if you don't want to continue with this, you can add your own prompt as well. But for now, I will just go with this one here. If you want a different one, you can again click on Inspire again and then it will create another prompt. But if you want to go with your own customized prompt, then you can also do that. So once you're done with this, all you have to do is click on generate video. Then you have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes until this video is generated. So Canva will take a few seconds and will create this short AI video clip for you. Now once the video loads, as you can see, the Canva have created the AI video. You can click on this video and now you have your video. Then you can add text, music, elements and transitions just like any other Canva project. So here you can do your further editing, you can animate and you can add text and more. And once you're done editing your video, you can simply click on share and then download, and then you can choose on the MP4 options and then click on download, and then this video will be downloaded in your device. And that's it. That's how you can turn text into video using Canva for free. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.